Welcome to QLeave. QLeave helps Queensland contract cleaning workers get the long service leave they've earned. Our scheme rewards you for your service to the industry, even if you change employers. As long as you keep performing eligible work, your long service leave will move with you. So how does the scheme work? Well, it's simple. Each quarter, your employer reports the days you've worked to QLeave and then pays a levy based on your wages. Once you have 10 years of service recorded with QLeave, you're entitled to 8.67 weeks of long service leave paid by us. Your entitlements are based on the time you've spent in the industry, rather than the time spent with an individual employer. So even if you change jobs, we'll know how many days you've worked overall, and you'll be on your way to taking a well-deserved break. You are eligible for QLeave if you are a cleaner or a supervisor performing both cleaning and supervision in Queensland. There are some cleaning workers who aren't eligible to join QLeave. You can find full details about who is and isn't eligible on our website. So what do you need to know about QLeave? It doesn't cost you anything to be registered with us. Your employer pays a levy to QLeave each quarter. We collect these levy payments and invest the funds to make sure we can pay your long service leave when you're ready to claim. Every day that you work gets added to your QLeave record as a service credit. These credits determine when you can claim your long service leave. You need 3,650 long service credits recorded with QLeave to make a claim. In most cases, this is equal to 10 years of service. You can claim any time after you've reached an entitlement, so you don't need to claim right away if you don't want to. There's not a set dollar amount for long service leave payments. Your payment is calculated when you lodge your claim and is based on your wage and the number of years you've worked in the industry. Your employer is responsible for reporting your work and wages to QLeave each quarter. However, it's a good idea you check your record regularly. That way you can make sure that we have a record for all the work you have performed, so you don't miss out on your long service leave. You can use our online portal at any time to check your service record and to find out how close you are to being able to make a claim. Getting started using the portal is easy. All you need is your QLeave worker ID, surname and date of birth. You'll receive an email from us when you first registered that explains what you need to do. It's important to keep your details up to date via the portal too, as we'll need your email address and mobile number to keep you informed. You can find more information about QLeave and the Portable Long Service Leave Scheme at www.qleave.qld.gov.au. You can also contact us via phone and email if you have any questions. We are always happy to help. QLeave, Portable Long Service Leave, helping workers get the long service leave they've earned.